Here at Juthor, we manufacture and sell the best tissue paper jumbo reels.
The production process depends on three main elements that must be of the highest quality levels: team, machinery, and raw materials.
We use raw materials imported from all over the globe, following the highest international standards. Our products are made from 100% virgin pulp from sustainable sources and FSC-certified sources.
As a first stage, we mix the pulp and chemicals and convert it to paper stock.
Our factory is strategically located in King Abdullah Economic City, which facilitates transportation, import, and export operations.
At the moment, we export our products to neighboring countries, and we aim in the future to reach the rest of the world.
The fiber stock is pumped into the tissue paper machine to produce tissue jumbo rolls. These jumbo rolls are then cut to smaller rolls using a rewinder, following the specifications of the converting factories.
Our customers are the converting factories who use our jumbo paper rolls to convert it into consumer products such as facial tissues, kitchen towels, toilet paper, napkins, and maxi rolls.
Our annual production capacity reaches 60,000 tons, with basic weight ranging from 13.5 to 42 GSM.
Then we check the quality of the product according to standard specifications, such as softness, tensile strength, and thickness.
We attract, recruit, and retain the best talent and expertise in the industry, which is a key component for growth and expansion.
At the last production stage, our product is wrapped, labeled, stored, and shipped to our customers.